I'm thankful to Education World, one of the premier publications of India, for having me here. I'm also grateful to their research team for ranking us at 23rd All India rank amongst leading private business schools. This ranking is based on perception survey, and therefore it's my onerous duty to thank all stakeholders of JK Business School for this ranking. Students, their parents, faculty, staff, alumni, industry at large, and recruiters from JK Business School in particular, and certainly an active and participative vote. We did expect a ranking in teens, but we will work rigorously over next year to improvise our functioning and convey the initiatives to all stakeholders. COVID-19 has significantly disrupted the entire planet functioning. The academic system of course delivery, examination, assessments and learning has undergone a major shift in a span of few months. The traditional chalk and talk system has given way to a technology-driven system. E-learning has become a household word now, with students from nursery to professional courses getting education through online delivery mode. JK institutions, with the active support of the leading JK technology, have been on the forefront of technology adoption. We adopted Google Classroom about a year back for our entire academic functioning. As the global report started emerging, the entire pedagogy was shifted to online mode through Zoom and G Suite immediately without wasting a single academic day. The institution was able to complete its running trimester on time through virtual classroom, video conferencing, industry webinars and live projects. Times have changed. Now we have e-assignments only, e-assessments with proctoring norms, submissions on Google Classroom. Seminars are now webinars. Attendance is only on Google Classroom. The Indian education system has noticed an accelerated adoption of blended learning, which has been a global trend in the past. Parents, students, and the regulator have all embraced this accelerated adoption due to COVID-19. For us, the disruption caused by COVID-19 has only led to speed up the process of integrating technology into education. Our innovation strategy, reworked only 3 years back, has led us to focus on blended learning. Blended learning has addressed the loneliness of learners and COVID challenge of contactless communication. JK has been the first institute in North India to offer IIM-BX certification to its PGDM students in collaboration with IIM Bangalore. We are the first college in Gurugram to set up IIMA Business Lab, also known as IIMA Biz Lab, in our campus. The idea for setting up this lab is to teach the management theory in a practical manner using simulation activities. IIMA also conducted the business simulation competition for National Management Games for the Northern region at JK Business School this year. JKBS has been one of the first colleges to start specialization in business analytics across all verticals and has been training business analytics for industry for almost last 3 to 4 years. JKBS has consistently been ranked amongst top B schools in India. Some of the prestigious honors are from Business World Survey, CSR GHRDC, MHRD NIR ranking amongst top 75 B schools in India, Exceptional Service and Skill Development CI and Niti Aayog through their India Skill Report, Best ICT Initiative in Higher Education at EdTech Review Summit. This is a tech-savvy generation that is quick to adapt to technological changes. Artificial intelligence, cloud technology, blockchain technology, fintech are already affecting the way work is done, and students need to be prepared for them while at the campus. We believe teleporting has a lot of scope in blended learning, and we are focusing on its integration to education very closely. Thank you.